Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your POCO C50. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to edit, then find screen record button in this blue gray, then press and hold like this and drag to top for add. And now for saving your editing, tap done. And now we add this button, so press and hold for screen record button. And here we got screen recorder settings. And on the bottom we got show touch gangsters and show button taps option. So this position of switchers, it's turn off this both option. And if you wanna, for example, activate show touches gangsters, you tap on the switcher, and this position it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.